coming to question number 27, which says let a greater than or equal to b, greater than or equal to c, greater than or equal to 0 be integers such that 2 power a plus 2 power b minus 2 power c is equal to 144. Then a plus b minus c equals. Now to do this question, first of all, I will try to explore whether b is equal to c is possible or not. If b is equal to c, then 2 power a will become equal to 144 because these two terms will get cancelled. But this is not possible because 2 power a is a perfect power of 2, but 144 is not. So this is not possible. Now what if a is equal to b and greater than c? We have already ruled out b cannot be equal to c, so we can check for this thing now. We will be having 2 power a plus 2 power a minus 2 power c is equal to 144. I can write it as 2 into 2 power a or 2 power a plus 1 minus 2 power c is equal to 2 power 4 into 9 here. Here c is lesser than a plus 1, so I can take 2 power c common, then it will be 2 power a plus 1 minus c, and a plus 1 minus c is still a positive integer, minus 1 is equal to 2 power 4 into 9. So from this what we are getting that my c has to be 4, and because this will be an odd number, this is what which is giving us power of 2, and here this is what we are which is giving us power of 2. So c will be 4 and 2 power a plus 1 minus c minus 1 will be equal to 9. But this also seems to be wrong because in this case we are getting 2 power some positive integer equal to 10. So this is also not possible. So here now I can say that a has to be greater than b, greater than c. Now this question will become easy. How? Please see. 2 power a plus 2 power b minus 2 power c is equal to 2 power 4 into 9. So can we say that c has to be 4? Yes, we can say. Why I am saying so? Because if I take 2 power c common, it will be 2 power a minus c, and this will be an even number because a is greater than c. So 2 power positive integer will be an even number. Similarly, 2 power b minus c will also be an even integer. Minus 1 is equal to 2 power 4 into 9. So this is even, this is even, minus 1 will be odd, and c will be equal to 4. So what we are going to get here, that 2 power a minus 4 as c we have found out as 4 plus 2 power b minus 4 is equal to 10 I can write. Okay, or let me write this as 2 power a plus 2 power b, and let me multiply by 2 power 4 both sides, so it will become 160. Now once again I can take, or I can write this as 2 power I think 5 into 5. So as per I did for 2 power c, I think I can do it for 2 power b also. A minus b plus 1 is equal to 2 power 5 into 5, and this gives us b to be 5, and 2 power a minus b plus 1 is equal to 5. So as b is 5, 2 power a minus 5 will become equal to 4, and this will give us a to be equal to 7. So you can see the values of a is coming out to be 7, b is coming out to be 5, and c is coming out to be 4. So answer here would be a plus b is 12 minus 4 is 8. 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 minus 4 is 8. So answer